Oh, yes! Yes, good day to all of you guys. Always start our day with prayers and gratitude. And this will be my day 26 and it is all about replanning. As for me, I will dedicate this entire days, yung mga natitirang araw sa challenge as for me, just for me. And by doing that, I will reflect sa mga nagawa ko throughout this challenge, sa mga natapos na plano, sa mga alam mo yon, sa mga standards na hinay, sa mga gratitude day, no? And the purpose of this challenge is to help you pataasin yung self-image. And I'm super happy and grateful kasi grabe guys. Alam mo yon, hindi pa talaga gaanong kataas yung self-image ko eh. Pero I'm super happy and grateful kasi ginawa ko tong challenge na to kahit hindi pa ako kasali sa Willid, but pinapangarap ko mag-Willid and gagawin ko ulit to in the near future, no? So, I'm excited. I'm so grateful din na ginawa tong challenge na to. So, yun lang guys. See you soon.